students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our new chapter is chapter number 6, square and square roots. First of all, what is a square? Square. If a natural number is n, then square of this number is n square, means n cross n is equal to n square. If a number is n, then then the multiplication of number then is called n square. If a number multiply by itself, this is a square of this number. So if a natural number is n, then square of this number is written as n square, means n cross n is equal to n square. Let's take a table. 1 square means 1 into 1, 2 square means 2 into 2, 4, 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, 9, 4 square 4 into 4, 16, 5 square 5 into 5, 25, 6 square 6 into 6, 36, 7 square 7 into 7, 49, 8 square 8 into 8, 64, 9 square 9 into 9, 81, 10 square 10 into 10, 100. These are the basic square number. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take the square number from 1 to 30. Now I am drawing a table of square numbers. In this table, first of all we will write down number and then the square of this number. One square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Now number and square of this. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Eleven square means 11 into 11, 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. Now number and square. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. You will remember the square number up to 25. The 21 square is 441, 484, 529, 576, 625. These are the squares. 21 square is 441, 22 square is 484, 23 square is 529, 24 square is 576, 25 square is 625. Now 30 square is 900, 40 square is 1600, 50 square is 2500, 60 square is 3600, 70 square is 4900, 80 square is 6400, 90 square is 8100. These are the square numbers. And last 100 square is 100 and 00. These are the basic square number. If we actually read the unit digit, of our square numbers, what the result we get? Unit digits of square numbers. The unit digit of square numbers: 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. And 00. Not a single zero. I write down 00. Unit digit is 1, 4, unit digit is 5, unit digit is 6, unit digit is 9, unit digit is 00. 0 and 0. The 0 will come at unit digit in a pair. Here is 49, 9 included, 64, 4 included, 81, 1 included, 1 included, 4 include, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, then 00. Here are 00, 00, 00, 00, 00, 00, 00. Single 0 will convert into 00. Single 0 will convert into 00. 7 square is 49, 0 square is 00. 8 square is 64, 0 square is 00. 9 square is 81, 0 square is 00. 1 square is 1, 00 square is 00 and 00. These are the square number. Now, unit digit of these square number is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. Number with respect to unit digit of square number. Unit digit of square number and unit digit of number. This is our another table. unit digit of square number, we get 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. These are the numbers in which we get the square number. If we get 1 in square number, if we get 1 in square number, what is the unit digit of original number? The original number is 1. 1, then 1, we get another 1 in square number. What is the unit digit of original number is 9. 1, 1, 1, 9. So if we get 1, the unit digit of original number is 1 and 9. If we get 4, 4 unit number is 2, 4 unit number is 2, 4 unit number is 2. So unit number of original number is 2. Another 4 is here 8. So this will be 8. Now when we get 5, getting 5 by 5, the another case for getting 5 in square number, 5 then 5, 5 then 5, only 1, 5. How to get a unit digit of 6 in square number? In square number we check 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4. So 6 is getting by 4 and 6, because 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. Now getting 9, 9, 3, 9, 7, 9, 3, 9, 7, 9, 3, 9, 7, 9, 3. So 3 and 7, 3 and 7, 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49, means 9. Now 00, how to get 00? By 0, by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this will be 0. The unit digit of original number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the 10 numbers are included and unit digit are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. These are the unit digit of a square number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 number. 4 numbers are absent. The 4 number is what? 2, 3. 2, 3 is not coming here. Then 7 and 8. 2, 3, 7, 8 is not coming in unit digit of a square number. 2, 3, 7, 8 is not coming in perfect square numbers unit digit. In the unit digit of any perfect square number, 2, 3, 7, 8 is not coming. Only 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 are coming. You can take a screenshot of this. This table should you remember always. You can take a screenshot of this. Now we read a new word. perfect square number. What is the perfect square number? First of all, we read about natural number. What is the natural numbers? The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and many more. These are the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and many more numbers are natural numbers. Now taking prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. These are our prime numbers. And what is perfect square number? One square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 14, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225 and these are the perfect square number. 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, then 16. These are our perfect square number. These are our perfect square number. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. We can write down 1 plus 3. 3 square is 9. We can write as 1, 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 square is 16. We can write as 1, 3, 5, 7 by adding these. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15 plus 1, 16. 5 square, 25. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, 20, 25. 10, 10, 20, then 5, 25. 6 square is 36. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 11. These are our 25. 25 plus 11, 36. 7 square is 49. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. With 11 answer is 36. 36 plus 13. 49. 8 square is 64. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Then 15. Up to 13. The addition is 49. 49 plus 15. 64. 9 square is 81. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 11, 13, 15. Then 17. Up to 15, addition of up to 15 is 64. Now 64 plus 17, 81. 10 square is 100. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, then 19. Up to 17. Addition of up to 17 is 81. 81 plus 90 is 100. Now here is 1 square is 1. 2 square is addition of first two odd number. These are the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are the odd numbers. So add of first two odd numbers. 3 square is 9. 1 2 3. 3 is 3 square of 3. Square of 3 is addition of first three odd number. 4 square, addition of 4 odd number, addition of first 4 odd numbers. 5 square, addition of 5 odd, addition of first 5 odd numbers. 6 square, 1 2 3 4 5 6, addition of first 6 odd numbers. In 7 square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the 7 digits. 8 square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 digits. These are the square number in terms of addition. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our question in our exercise. Now we are taking exercise 6.1, question number first. What will be the unit digit of the squares of following numbers? First of all, we will find the square of this number and then find the unit digit. This is our long method, because 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225, 11 square is 121, unit digit is 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, so 6, 5 square is 25, so 5. So when we find the unit digit of the any square number, we will take unit digit of given number. Take unit digit of given number is 1. So 1 square is 1. So unit digit of square is 1. Unit digit of the square is 1. Unit digit of the square is, here is 2. 2 square is 4. Unit digit of the square is 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. So 1. Unit digit of the square is, here is 3. 3 square is 9. Unit digit of the square is, here is 4. 4 square is 16. 16. 6. Unit digit of the square is, here is 7. 7 square is 49, so 9. So here is 9. 9 is unit digit. Unit digit of the square is, here is 8. Square of 8 is 64. So unit digit is 4. Unit digit of the square is 0, because 0 square is 0. Unit digit of the square is, here is 6, 6 square is 36, so 6. Unit digit of the square is, here is 5, 5 square is 25, 25, so 5 is taken. The unit digit is 5. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. The following number are obviously not perfect square. These numbers are not perfect square numbers. Give reason. What is the reason between them? These are not a square numbers. First of all, we will check what is the square numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 20 square 400, 30 square 900, 100 square 10000. These are the square numbers. So if we check the unit digit of the square numbers, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, then 00. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0000000000. These are the unit digit of the any perfect square number. These are not perfect square number because unit digit is 7. In square number unit digit is these, so 7 is not here, so this is not a square number. 3 not included, 8 not included, 2 not included, 3 times 0, 2 time, 2 time, 2 time, 2 time, 4 time, 2 time, 4 time, 6 time, 8 time. These are 0, not 3 times 0. So this is not a square number. 2 not included, 3 times 0, 2 time or 4 time, not 3 time. So this is not 1 times 0, no, always 0 come in pair, 00. So these are not the square perfect square number. Unit digit of any perfect square numbers are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. Unit digit of given number is 7. 7 is not included in this, so 1057 is not a perfect square number. Taking the next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Unit digit of any perfect square numbers are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. Unit digit of 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 is unit digit is 3, which is not included. So 2 3 4 5 3 is not a perfect square number. The third one, 7928, unit digit of any perfect square number are 1 4 5 6 9 and 00. Unit digit of 7928 is, here is unit digit is 8. 8 is not included, so 7928 is not a perfect square number. Taking fourth one, 222 222, unit digit of any perfect square numbers are 1 4 5 6 9 and 00. Unit digit of 222 222 is 2. Unit digit of this is 2. 2 is not included here, so 222 222 is not a perfect square number. The fifth one, 64000, unit digit of any perfect square number is 0, then if unit digit of any perfect square number is 0, then 0 will always comes in pair, like 00 00 00 00 00 00 00 00 and 00, means 00 40 60 80, like these. The ending digits of 64000 is 1 2 3 30. Here are 20 and 40, not 30, so 64000 is not a perfect square number. The other question will do yourself. The part 6 7 and 8, here is 2 which is not included in these numbers. Here is 000 00 and 40, not 000. Here is 1 time 0. In square number there are 00, so not 1 time 0. This is not a perfect square number. So the 3 questions will you do yourself. You can take a screenshot of this. The another question will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.